Ever wondered what makes your favorite video games run so smoothly? It's not magic, but it's something just as fascinating: information technology, or IT for short. Think about it. When you're battling space aliens or building virtual cities, you're not just playing a game. You're interacting with a complex system that uses IT to deliver those thrilling experiences. It doesn't matter if you're playing on a computer, a console, or even your phone. They all use IT to make your games run smoothly. But what is it exactly? In simple terms, it's all about using computers to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data. This data is what makes up your games. Everything from the characters you control to the worlds they explore. So every time you play a game, remember, it's it that makes it all possible. Now you might be thinking, how does it make my games work? Well, let's dive right into it. IT, or information technology, is like the wizard behind the curtain, making all the magic happen in your video games. To understand how it makes your games work, you need to know about two main components: hardware and software. Imagine your favorite video game. The console you play it on, the controller you hold in your hands, even the screen you're looking at. All of these are part of the hardware. They're the physical pieces that you can touch, see, and even sometimes hear. Think of them as the body of your video game, but what about the game itself? The characters, the worlds they explore, the adventures they embark upon. You can't touch these, can you? Well, these are all part of the software. Software is the part that you can't touch, but it's what makes the game work. It's like the spirit of your video game, giving life to the hardware. Now, how do these hardware and software communicate with each other? That's where coding comes in. Coding is like a secret language that tells the software what to do. When you press a button on your controller, a specific code tells the software to make your character jump, or run, or swing a sword. It's like giving instructions to a friend. You tell them what to do, and they do it. Only in this case, your friend is the game, and the instructions are the codes. So the next time you're playing your favorite game, just remember that there's a whole world of IT magic happening behind the scenes. From the hardware that forms the body, the software that gives it life, to the coding that tells it what to do. It is the wizard that makes it all work together. So, in a nutshell, it is like the brain of your video games, telling them how to work. But it isn't just about video games, it's a lot more than that. You see, information technology, or IT for short, is like a wizard's spellbook, casting its magic in nearly every corner of our lives. Ever wonder how astronauts get to space? It's IT that helps them plot the course, making sure they safely reach their galactic destinations. And when you're surfing the World Wide Web, it's it that keeps your personal information safe from sneaky cyber pickpockets. It's like a digital superhero protecting you while you explore the internet. But the magic of IT doesn't stop there. It's also behind the scenes in hospitals, helping doctors diagnose diseases. It's in our schools, making learning more fun and interactive. And it's in our homes, turning lights on and off with just the sound of our voice. Learning about IT can open up an entire universe of exciting opportunities in the future. So, next time you're playing your favorite game, remember that you're also experiencing the magic of IT. So what have we learned today? We've discovered that information technology, or IT, is the hidden hero behind your favorite video games. It's the combination of hardware, the physical parts of a computer, and software, the programs and data that run on that hardware. And it's all brought to life by coding, the unique language that tells the computer what to do. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. It is everywhere around us, making our world more connected, efficient, and exciting. From creating virtual realities to predicting weather, from designing websites to exploring space, IT opens up a universe of possibilities. So the next time you're immersed in a video game, remember, you're not just playing, you're interacting with the amazing world of IT. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one creating your own video game, or even sending astronauts to space with IT. Remember, every time you play a game or use your computer, you're using IT.